APACK, your solution for LED lighting. Established in July of 1999, APACK is an electronics and telecommunications research institute spin-off company with thermal technology specialization that now develop, design, and manufacture next-generation light source LED lighting. With a company vision of creating value for customers, APACK strives to create not just top-quality LED lighting products, but to create value in solutions with them. APACK's LED lighting solution and its superior expertise in thermal design engaged in numerous lighting projects worldwide with economic feasibility, eco-friendly, and superior light quality. The business expanded into Europe, America, and Asia, targeting sports, outdoor, and industrial sectors where APACK's thermal solutions best applied for LED flood lighting, high bay lighting, and street lighting. APACK's headquarters located in Daeduk, Innopolis, in the city of Daejeon, Korea, which is the National Research and Development District, a strategic location for swift transfer of technological and market news for LED lighting. Building and maintaining customers' trust is APACK's top priority and done by ensuring the quality of products with precise, reliable, and transparent manufacturing process, as well as after-service that tracks down each and every product made. All manufacturing process is certified by ISO 9001 with each stages of development, incoming inspection, manufacturing line, outgoing inspection, and to the end user. All APACK's product lineup goes under strict inspection on light quality test, then perform reliability tests for IP grading, temperature, and humidity. Every step of creating an optimized LED lighting is self-designed from scratch by APACK's R&D team with near to real-life accuracy lighting simulation, top-level light quality with thermal tests and carefully measured with high-tech devices such as goniometer and integrating sphere. APACK's high-powered LED floodlight series of FT and FA ranges from 200 watt up to 800 watt power consumption. With APACK's patented thermal technology, these floodlights realize market's lowest EPA value with compact size and ultra-light weight. With versatile optic solution, FT and FA series are your solution for stadium, sports facility, golf course, high mast, port, and other industrial applications. For industrial high bay lighting, FSBU and Line Light series has optimized compatibility that can fit into any retrofit replacements in new projects. The distinguished thermal system allowed its ultra-lightweight fixture that can save even more maintenance cost while still having top-notch light quality and reliability for many industrial usage such as factory and warehouse. From guard light for sidewalks to highway light, APACK street light lineup is available in the power consumption range as low as 20 watt and up to 200 watt. These LED street lights provide eco-friendly solution with energy saving and environmentally friendly cutoff levels. Visit APACK's homepage for more information and contact us anytime.